Welcome back to my channel, guys. So as you know, Nykaa completed 8 years on 10th May. There was this huge sale that was going on their website, and I had to order a few products from their brand. So I ordered a few products from their brand Nykaa, as well as a few other products from other brands, just to be a part of their celebration. I've also created this look using all of their products, and if you want to know how I created this, you can check out the link in the description box down below. So let's jump in the video and let me show you the products that I purchased. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So to start with, I ordered the Nykaa Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette, and I ordered the Smoky at 8 palette because it is such a universal palette which you can wear anytime, anywhere. It says intense color payoff, waterproof and easy to blend. Honestly, it definitely was easy to blend, and the intense color payoff is a complete check for me. The pigmentation was insane. As you guys can see, it was a beautiful color payoff, and I loved blending this shade. This eye has been my go-to eye look, and I was so happy that a brand like Nykaa can produce a wonderful eyeshadow palette like this one. The packaging was very nice. It came in a bubble wrap like this, and also the weight of the palette is so light. However, I was not very happy with the brush or the eyeshadow applicator that it came with. I wish they could have given a small brush that could help in blending or to smoke out the black eyeshadow. It would have been perfect. However, I would definitely add this to my makeup kit. Next, I ordered the Brow On Point Micro Fine Pencil. While I was ordering, it said the shade brown, but when I received it, it just says some weird shade which is Bic and Wand 01. I like the fact that it has a spoolie and a pencil side, but I don't like the texture of the pencil. It's more wax than a little bit of color pencil sort of a thing. And well, I would not really add this to my makeup kit, but it is a good product, keeping the price in mind. Next, I ordered the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation stick in the shade 02 and in 01. I ordered the 02 just for concealer, and it can be also used as a foundation stick. However, I already have a foundation, so I thought I would use this as a concealer. It is definitely very pigmented, and I like the color. However, I have to use a corrector underneath just to bring out the color of the foundation stick. The problem is when I opened it, the stick just came out and it was in the cap instead of the rolling stick. So yeah, but that's okay. I don't really mind that because I quickly fixed it. But yes, they do have a variety of colors in that, and I would definitely recommend the foundation sticks. For contouring my face, I ordered the same Skin Finish foundation stick in shade 07. It was a really nice color for my skin. It is definitely highly pigmented. If you are fond of cream contouring, I would definitely recommend this. When I was blending the cream contour, I have to tell you, it blended out so well that it was not patchy, and I was loving the effect of it. Next, I ordered the Nykaa Prep Me Up. I really like this, guys. It just glides over your skin. It's a little thick, but I really like the texture of it. Then I also ordered the Nykaa Skin Genius Skin Perfecting and Hydrating Compact Powder. I'm not a big fan of it because the packaging is a little weird, because this does not come up closest to the mirror, or nor does it sit down properly. What I did not like about this product while I was ordering was the shades were not very clear. So I think this is a lighter shade for my skin tone. However, it's not that bad, but I'm not a very big fan of the packaging. Next, I also ordered the Rock the Line Kajal in the shade Jet Black. Honestly, the packaging was something like a Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I did apply the Kajal, but not in my waterline. I applied it as an eyeliner just to smoke it out with the black shade from the palette. I don't have any bad reviews about this product. It's light, it's thin, it's nice to hold, but I don't think it's an extraordinary product that I would highly recommend. Moving on, I also ordered the Nykaa Lash Stock in the shade The OG. I quite like the packaging from the outside, but inside the packaging was a little flimsy. One thing that I did not like was the glue that it came with. It's a really tacky looking glue. I would honestly not even think of wearing this glue or applying it on my lash, because it just looks kind of weird and scary. It just gives a thought or a feeling that it will probably spoil your lashes. Another thing, I just squeezed the entire tube out and nothing came out, so I was pretty happy because I had to use my own glue and not this trashy looking glue. Another flaw that I faced was that one eyelash was perfectly fitting my eyes, but the other one I had to taper it from both the sides and then I could fit them. One good point about the lashes was that the band was extremely thin and they were so easy to apply. I would definitely buy them again. Next, I couldn't resist but to buy these two Match to Last liquid lipsticks. One is in the shade Gul and the other one is in the shade Bombay. So I've mixed both the colors and I'm wearing them right now. Honestly, I love the pigment. I love the color and I love the packaging that they come in. They're like really tiny and I love it that they're like super lightweight, and the applicator is also extremely nice. It just glides on and has a precision in the application of lipstick. I also have to tell you that the shade Gul is a very close dupe to the Smashbox liquid lipstick Gulabi. So this is Gulabi from Smashbox and this is Gul from Nykaa. Another product that I ordered was not from Nykaa, but it is from Wet n Wild. This is the eyeshadow palette in Rose in the Air. I've heard that this is a wonderful dupe of the Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Guys, this palette is so light. I'm dying to try this palette out because I don't have the Renaissance palette and I can't wait to try this palette out. So since we're doing a Nykaa review, I also wanted to share with you a few products that I've purchased previously, not this time, so I did not get much discount on it. And this is the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. This is in the shade 02 Vanilla. I quite like this foundation. However, it is not light to medium coverage. It is more like medium to full coverage. It blends well, but you just have to work a little faster. I also got the Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter Duo Palette. This is in the shade 24 Glam 01. It's got a warm gold and a pure gold, like a rose gold color. I love these shades, guys. This is such a brilliant and a beautiful shade for my skin tone, and they are highly pigmented. I would definitely recommend a highlighter palette from Nykaa. One of my favorite products from Nykaa is the Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick, and this is in the shade Work It. This is a brilliant product, guys. I love it. I love the applicator. You can apply this as a blush. You can apply this on your lips as an eyeshadow. It just does wonders, guys. I highly recommend this product. There is a wide range of color options in this product. I must tell you, you have to get one of these products. After ordering so many products, I did get a few free products, and these were the two mask sheets that I got. Then I also got a cream to powder compact. This is a really highly pigmented cream compact. I was not very happy with this because it's too sticky. And there is another lipstick that I got. This is in the shade Cinnamon Crunch. It's a brown color and I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. It's a very nice nude color. You can wear it in the day as well as in the night when you're wearing a smoky eye look. So guys, this is it. These were all the products that I purchased from Nykaa. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased all the products on my own, and I purchased them because there was a huge sale going on, around 40%, and I wanted to be a part of their 8th birthday celebration. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For those who are new here, I post videos every week and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.